Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Adidas Original Samba shoes. They are indoor soccer shoes, but they are also known as the Bella Hadid shoes. They have been going viral on TikTok for the past few months, and I finally got them. I will say though that I did see them years ago on Emily Ratajkowski, and I've been wanting them for years, and I finally got my hands on them. They were super hard to get. I got them on Dick's Sporting Goods out of all websites, and the shipping was pretty fast. It took like a week at the most, and yeah, I have them right here, and I'm super excited, and I cannot wait to style them. So yeah, let's get into it. Literally about to poke myself in the eye. Anyway, right here, I'm super excited. This is a very small box. Here. So right here, oh my gosh, this is my first time seeing them. So I do think that they have two different styles, and they also have one with like the longer tongue, so make sure you don't get those. I saw like a TikTok video where a girl got the ones with the long tongue and they didn't look really good. I made sure to not get the ones with the long tongue, so I got the original ones, and those are the ones that do not have the long tongue. There are two styles of these. There's the classic and the original. I got the original, and those do not have the long tongue. I need to make sure you guys don't get those, unless that is your style preference, of course, but those don't look as good on. Anyway, they're right here. I don't know if you can see them. Oh my god, I love them! What? I love them. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to wear these. They're actually, I thought they were gonna be bulkier, and I wanted something that was like, I don't know, more sleek and like cuter. So let me do a close up. So these are the Adidas Original Samba shoes. And let me do a 360. So they say Samba right there. I know that these shoes used to be leather. I'm not sure if they still are. From the description on the website, I saw that it said leather upper. I know that it has suede around it right here. This is all suede. However, I'm not sure if they are leather. So, okay, yes. So I got a size 6 in men. I'm usually a size 7 in women. I will try them on later and tell you guys how they fit. So as you can see, they don't have a long tongue. I will insert a picture of how they look like with the long tongue right here. So it has like a rubber sole on the bottom. It's all rubber, and it's like a brown color. I know that sometimes I think I was about to get the kids version, but those have like a black sole from what I saw on like the Amazon reviews. I did speak to the worker though, and he told me that there isn't really a difference between the kids style and the men's style. So if you do want to save money, you could totally get the kids style. I think that if I had gone in the kids style, I'm a size 7, so I think it varies like a size and a half, so, or 2 sizes. Either way, I was supposed to get the 5.5 in kids from all of my researching on TikTok and everything. So they do look to appear the same, but I don't want to take my chances. I'm really happy with how these look. They're just super cute, and they're not as like bulky as I thought they would be. I'm gonna do another up close so I can read some of the things that, so the tag says 3 Streifen. I think that's in German. I have no idea. Yeah, it says 3 Streifen, the brand. And yeah, it's in blue. And then it has the 3 stripes. And then it does have like 3 little indents here. I don't know if you can see them. It has like 3 little indents, and this doesn't really go too far up. So yeah, I just checked the Adidas website, and they put some really cute white ones, and they're like Real Madrid, and they're really cute, and I might actually get those. I don't know anything about soccer, I will say. And I know these are soccer shoes. They're just really cute. I did want to start playing soccer, but yeah, they're super cute. I'll put a picture of them right there. So they do offer them in like different colors. I think I saw green, red, but yeah, I would have gotten the white ones. These, they're different from the ones that I just showed, the Real Madrid ones, but I would have gotten the white ones that look like this. But I didn't because they're sold out. I think those are more popular than this color. So yeah, if they were in stock, I would totally get them. I might get those though. They look like a beige color or like a white, I don't know. Anyway, I'm about to try them on. I'm super excited. I've been wondering how I would style them, and I actually went on Pinterest for inspiration, and I'll put a picture of how I would want to style them. I do have a skirt like that, but I don't know because it's fall, so I don't know if that'll work. I do live in California, so I might. I have them on right here. I think they're really cute. They fit literally perfect, so if you're a true 7, whatever size you get, literally it's just one size difference, so go down. They're men's sizes, so I got a size 6. Literally not too big or not too small. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not like completely sure that I'm gonna be able to style them like how I want to. This is what I did for now. The little sweaters from Crybaby, and then this little skirt is from Brandy Melville, and then the socks are from Hue. I already showed that. And yeah, they're like really cute. They're like, I feel like they're feminine, which I was kind of scared that they would be, but they are. I don't know if you can see. Okay, I don't think I Yep. Literally perfect size. And that concludes the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and please stay tuned for future videos. I will be unboxing the New Balance 300 and the platform UGG slippers that are trending right now. So thank you and have a great day.